Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.